this is what we do. Detective work is extremely challenging. And even though it can be full of action, it is in its core a serious and responsible profession. The job of a detective is to find, develop, and gather information, and their success is a result of the efforts which depend on our professionalism, discipline, and diligence, as well as on the individual's talent. This is why not anyone can be a detective. A detective should be a highly qualified individual with specific knowledge and skills. Furthermore, a detective should follow the letter of the law in all situations. Unlike theoretical knowledge, which is provided by higher education, acquiring practical skills is often a challenge. Like driving a car, these skills cannot be learned from books, but through work on the field. In gathering key information, detective benefits from having connections, which is something that an individual needs to start working on at the very beginning of their career. It is recommended to connect with older and more experienced colleagues who can pass on their knowledge, experience, and advice. I would recommend all the beginners to collaborate with honest and hard-working detectives who are prepared and willing to share their knowledge with others. It is very important that their role models set a good example, that they are committed to ethical standards, and that they are truly live up on the values such as reliability, ethics, and trust, which are, in my opinion, an integral elements of a detective work. Our research is additionally enriched by meetings at which experts exchange opinions, knowledge, and experience. One of such meetings was the recent Council of International Investigators in Ljubljana, which marked a special milestone. The meeting, which was organized by the Detective and Security Agency, was held in Slovenia for the first time in history. I can say that in the last 11 years since I have been a detective, the field has changed significantly. Nowadays, in an era which we call the Fourth Industrial Revolution, we can learn anything by simply using our keyboards. Most of the information is just a click of a mouse away. In the light of the progressing digitalization in different parts of our lives, us detectives has also been faced with great challenges, as we constantly have to train and learn to keep up with the fast progress of knowledge and technology. I believe that passing on new knowledge is one of the most important assets. It is why I also like to share my knowledge with co-workers with whom we attend different education programs abroad. Furthermore, I'm extremely honored and glad to be working as a mentor, as this allows me to pass on my knowledge to the young detectives and participants at different workshops and seminars. I wish we had even more mutual collaboration and learning, which are so important not only for our profession, but also for us as individuals. Thank you very much.